In Windows 11, you can easily restore Windows back to normal, even without making restore point. But in Windows 10, that's not the case. In this video, we will show how to make and use restore point. And also for additional safety, we will show you how to enable automatic registry backup. So stay tuned. First in the search, type restore. And click on create a restore point. Here, first select drive to set restore point on. Turn system protection on and set 5 to 10 GB. Here also you can set multiple drives to have restore point on. After the drives are selected, click on Create button and give any name to your restore point. Now our restore point is created. If any issue comes by any program or tweaks you applied that are causing some problem, you can revert it by using restore point. Later in this video, I will show you how to access restore point using Shift Restart key combination or directly when Windows is booting. Press Shift F8 or F8 to access restore point. So stay tuned. Here is how to use restore point from desktop. Clicking the Finish button will restore Windows to the state it was in at the time the restore point was created. If our desktop is unresponsive, press Alt-Control-Delete and click on Power button at bottom right. Hold Shift key and click on Restart. Then you will be presented with this screen. Just follow these instructions to get to System Restore window. Credits for this screenshots goes to WikiHow. Article will be linked below. Here, select the restore point, which you want to restore the Windows to. Now let's enable automatic registry backup and add repair Windows files option in our desktop right-click menu. First, download this software. Now extract file and follow the steps. Here in the search bar, type automatic and enable automatic registry backup. Now type scan and check Add Scan Now button to desktop menu. Now type repair and check Add Repair Windows Image button to desktop menu. These options sometimes helps to fix Windows problems and help us avoid the need of using restore point. Let it complete. If it find any problem, it will try to repair it. Same goes for Windows Image Repair option. Here is the scan result. Now, you want to remove the software. Just type remove in Windows search and type the software name and click on uninstall button. Making restore point is a good practice, but in new Windows, it's not much needed. If our channel helped you, please do consider subscribing. Thank you so much for your time.